All right, guys, so number 6, you have the distributed property once again, but you're also going to be combining like terms and all that. So let's work through this and let's see where you possibly went wrong. So I once again have a negative sign here that I'm having to distribute. So to make it easier, just go ahead and write you a -1 here. Okay, so I know I'm distributing a -1. So when I distribute that to both terms, and remember it is a -1, right? And on the right-hand side, you're also distributing a +2 to both terms. So let's go ahead and distribute. I'm going to have -1 times n is just -n. -1 times +1 is -1. Is less than 2 times n is 2n. 2 times -4 is -8. Minus 2n. Now I need to look and see, do I have like terms that I can combine on either side of the inequality sign? Over here on the left-hand side, I don't have anything, right? I just have a -n and a -1. But on the right-hand side, I have 2n and -2n that I'm going to combine. Now, if I have a positive and a negative, and they're both the same term, all that's going to happen is I'm canceling it out, right? So 2n minus 2n is just going to get rid of those, right? So I'm not going to have anything. So I have -n minus 1 is less than -8. I need to get my constants on the same side. So to do that, I'm just going to add 1, add 1. I have -n is less than -7. Now, some people are going to see that and say, I'm done. There's nothing else to do. But my variable has to be a positive. And right now, if you see, it's a -n. And to get rid of that negative sign, all I'm going to do is divide by -1. Now, I want you to think about something for just a second. I'm going to pause. When I divide by a negative, what do I have to do right here with my inequality sign? And I have to flip it. Anytime I divide by a negative, I have to flip my inequality sign. So I now have n is greater than -7 divided by -1 is a +7. All right, so your correct answer for this one was B.